Hi, I'm Malcolm Fontier, an industrial designer and the founder of Pakt. I'm excited to introduce our second product, a first-of-its-kind coffee-making kit designed for people that are serious about their travel gear as well as their coffee. We've all stayed places where the coffee setup was less than ideal. Sometimes there's no coffee at all, and you have to venture to the lobby or wander the city looking for it way before you're ready to face the world. There are a lot of great options for making coffee when you're camping using a gas stove. Until now, though, there hasn't been a complete kit designed for hotel-style travel that you could fly with. So we decided to create one.
The Pakt Coffee Kit is the first pour-over kit designed for travel that includes an electric kettle. It's compact, durable, and airline carry-on friendly. It's also built to last. Multiple design innovations make our kit extremely packable and portable. From a source for hot water, to a container for your beans, to a travel mug, we covered everything. As long as you have access to water and electricity, you can make barista-quality coffee anywhere you go. Like nesting Russian dolls, each component of our kit fits inside the next larger one. This means you can pack it in your luggage without having to worry about denting or crushing any of the components, and setup is easy. In less than a minute, you're unpacked and ready to brew. A unique spout and handleless design work together to give you maximum control and the smooth, slow stream you need for a perfect pour-over. We used premium materials throughout to ensure your coffee's flavor isn't affected by any plastic or cheap materials, and that your kit lasts a long time. The kit also meets Pakt's commitment to responsible sourcing and production.
We've obsessed over every detail of this kit, and now we can't wait to put it into the hands of coffee-loving travelers around the world. You might remember us from our previous campaign for the Pakt One, which helped launch our company. We're excited to bring our second product to life with the support of this awesome crowdfunding community. All right, I gotta get back to work.
Let's go, buddy.